Christmas morning at the South Pole. Little Pingo was still fast asleep in his cozy home, but suddenly, a sound came from the big red sock Santa left last night. Can you guess the sound?
Pingo, the little red sock, wiggled and twitched.
The penguin's
But then
voice!
a loud bark made Pingo jump.
His eyes sparkled with joy. He looked up at the sky and shouted, "Thank you, kind Santa! My wish came true." The puppy jumped out of the sock, wagged his tail, and licked Pingo's face. Pingo opened the door, and they both ran out into the snow. Now, the sound of laughter and playing filled the whole South Pole. Pingo isn't lonely anymore. Hello, my smart and talented artists. I'm Zizi, and I'm here with the final part of Pingo's story. Today, we are going to make Pingo's special gift, the cute little puppy, so we can make him happy. Are you ready? Let's go! As always, first we will look at this cute drawing to learn how to turn simple shapes into a beautiful dog.
Take some red Play-Doh, roll it out, and fold it just like I do to make a sock shape. Now, flatten it gently with your hand. Next, take some white dough, roll it, flatten it, and use your tool to make it look fluffy and fuzzy. Stick it to the top of the sock. Take some white dough, roll it into a ball, and flatten it. Now, listen carefully. Use your thumbs to make the top part a bit flatter. Great job. Take some brown dough and make a small ball. Roll it into an oval and flatten it. stick it over one eye area like a cute little patch.
Okay, so you take your brown teardrop shapes and flatten them out like this. Then you fold the tops down. Put 2 tiny black circles for the eyes.
Take a small black circle and press it from the sides with 2 fingers to make it look like a triangle. Place it in the middle of the face.
Draw a little line for the mouth with your tool. Now, take a tiny piece of pink dough to make a tongue. Make 2 brown teardrop shapes for the paws. Fold them and place them on the edge of the sock. It looks like the puppy is peeking out. Boys and girls, what do you want Santa to bring you this year? I have a wish too. I really hope Santa brings me an assistant to help me here in Zizi's studio, so I can make even better crafts for you. Santa, can you please bring me a helper? I hope he hears me. Well, my friends, Pingo's story has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed our trip to the South Pole. Until our next story and craft, goodbye.